So this is pretty much what I've been doing. Just kind of laying on the couch. I get up and feed the dog and take the dog out and hang out with the dog. But yeah, we're on day 3. It's Monday, and I had it done Friday. Not too much pain anymore. I still can't really lay on my sides or my stomach. Very constipated. And I'll probably be taking it off soon here tonight to take a shower. But I just wanted to check in. I've just been laying here watching TV all day since I've had the surgery and sleeping a lot. Lots of sleeping on the couch. Getting in and out of the bed is pretty tough. There's a distinct tearing feeling whenever using my arms or trying to move or anything like that. So, yeah. I'll check back in again. Alright, so it's Tuesday now. The 7th? 8th? And I'm going to go to Publix and get some groceries because I haven't eaten any real food since Thursday. So let's go do that. On a side note, if you don't take your cart back, you're a bad person. Something that I do to get my greens in every morning, I use the Ghost lime flavored greens just because it tastes better. And I mix it with some lemon lime Gatorade Zero. Not much, like maybe 6 ounces. And then I just suck it all down. It's kind of the easy way to get it done because no matter what you do, it's going to taste pretty bad anyway. Cooked up our country style pork sausage. And we're just going to get 2 ounces and put it in a bowl. There you go, 2 ounces. Now we're going to get 2 eggs over easy and cook those up. The Mexican 4 cheese. 14. Sriracha that doesn't want to come out normal. And that's it. With something looking kind of like this. And that's pretty much a normal breakfast for me. Usually I have some tomatoes, but I forgot to get tomatoes. Alright guys, we're in the Chevy Cruze right now. The 2015 Cruze RS. I have a bunch of performance parts for this car, but I'm probably not going to install them, and I might trade it in for something else. You might see that, you might not see that. But this is the one that had the cabin filter problem. So we're going to go to O'Reilly's and get a new cabin filter. Alright, so we got our new filter in. We went with the MicroGuard from O'Reilly's.